Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. A warm welcome to each and everyone for 561 farewell ceremony. We'll wait for a few seconds. Hi, Manasvi. And just Bhumika Didi will join and then we'll start. Rashmi ji, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah. Warm welcome to all the 561 in one group.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bhumika Didi is not joined. Yeah, we will wait just for a few minutes. She will join soon. Yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed the class and everyone learned it so well. That videos we have seen and you people are doing so good, so great. And we are very happy, like our kids are doing so brilliantly and so Antu is there, like, yeah, Manasvi clapping for everyone, for yourself, tap your backs. You all have done very well, very well. Even Meera ji, Maithili ji, you people's smiling. Yes, Bhumika Didi joined us. Welcome, Bhumika Didi.
Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna, everybody.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Yeah, now you just take start. Over to you, Bhumika Didi.
Prayer is done.
No, we were waiting for you. We just thought
Okay.
you comes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Akshita,
Yes.
can you please take the prayer, beta?
Rashmi ji, unmute her.
Yeah. Akshita. Yeah.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचानूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं
Jai Shri Krishna, everybody.
Thank
So
you,
now
Akshita ji.
Shraddha Didi already said something. Okay, so okay. I don't want to Rashmi ji today. I want to hear Rashmi ji also.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, a warm welcome to all the 561 L1 group members. Yeah, I'm your technical assistant. You have not seen me before, I think so. So I thank you all for your coordination throughout our journey to learn Bhagavad Gita, and congratulate all of you for complete the L1. You will be completing L1 and joining the L2 group now. I hope you all have joined it.
Yes.
Thank you. Continue.
Rashmi ji, Narendra ji Kotak is with us. Can you please unmute him?
Yeah.
Shraddha Didi, you give a brief introduction about Narendra ji, please.
Yeah, Naren Bhaiya is our tech core team. He's a trainer, tech, everything. Just Rashmi Didi, can you just spotlight him, please?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, like he's the motivation for us. How he is doing in Gita Parivar, he always motivates us. We feel like we are not able to do this, but he's always a push to us. Okay, no, you can do it. You can do it. He is like heart of our tech team. He is very good trainer also. So many things he are doing. So he's doing. I really know very less only what he do in our tech core team. That much I know, Naren Bhaiya, but he is a good motivator, I must say. Whenever we think, okay, we'll go one step back, he'll come and push us. No, you can do it. You can do it. So welcome, Naren Bhaiya. Welcome to our group. Please, that same encouragement we want for our participants also from you. Yes, over to you, Naren Bhaiya, please.
जय श्री कृष्ण सभी को. जय श्री कृष्ण श्रद्धा दीदी. जय श्री कृष्ण भूमिका दीदी और जय श्री कृष्ण सभी को. बहुत अपने 12 और 15 अच्छी तरीके से कंप्लीट कर दिया है और मैं आशा और उम्मीद रखता हूं कि आपने L2 का सबने रजिस्ट्रेशन भी कर दिया रहेगा. जिसके वीडियो 15वें अध्याय के अभी तक इसके वीडियो नहीं बने हैं, उन्होंने भी L2 का रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है. आप वीडियो बनाइए लेकिन रजिस्ट्रेशन कंप्लीट दीजिए. और ये हमारे भगवान के आशीर्वाद से और अपने पूर्वजों के आशीर्वाद से हम गीता मार्गी बने, गीता सेवी बने. तो आगे आपको सबको 18 के 18 अध्याय कंप्लीट करने हैं. और सबसे बड़ी बात, जैसे आपने देखा कि श्रद्धा दीदी ग्रुप कोऑर्डिनेटर है, भूमिका जी ट्रेनर हैं और टेक्निकल असिस्टेंट हैं। जूम मीटिंग में ये तीन, गीता परिवार में जूम मीटिंग में तीन बेसिक कैरेक्टर होते हैं। तो आप में से जो कंप्यूटर और मोबाइल में जो स्मार्ट रहेंगे उन्होंने टेक्निकल असिस्टेंट की सेवा देने की कोशिश करनी है। जो मैनेजमेंट में रहेंगे वो ग्रुप कोऑर्डिनेटर की सेवा दे, और जो ट्रेनर के लिए कैसे आपको 16वां अध्याय कंठस्थ करना है, 12वां 15वां और 16 अध्याय कंठस्थ करके आप ट्रेनर की भी सेवा दे सकते हैं। और जो ये कुछ नहीं कर सकते, जिनको लगता है ये नहीं है, तो गीता प्रचारक की सेवा दे, लेकिन गीता परिवार में जुड़े रहे और अपनी योग्यता अनुसार गीता परिवार में सेवा दे। और आप सबको वापस एक बार और अभिनंदन, आपको आगे बढ़ना है, 18 के 18 अध्याय कंप्लीट करने हैं। जय श्री कृष्ण सभी को।
जय श्री
Thank you
कृष्ण।
so much, Naren bhai.
Thank you so much. Hi Manasvi, hi Akshita. All kids are like, so Pragati Didi has joined, is it?
No, not yet.
No, not
Okay.
yet.
So now anybody is going to do the
No, Didi, I don't think we have asked anyone.
okay, fine. So shall we start with the feedback?
Yeah.
Yes. So whosoever wants to share their experiences can raise hand, and Rashmi will be unmuting them one by one. Rashmi Didi, remove spotlight from us.
Okay. Replace करना.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Replace. Okay.
So then,
You just remove it, Didi.
Yeah.
There will be an option remove spotlight.
Yes.
You remove it.
Replace it is there. इकडे नाही. Okay, I'm Manasvi, I'll unmute
yes.
a story.
Manasvi is always ready.
Yeah,
Yes.
Manasvi.
Always excited.
My name
Yes.
is Manasvi Sharma. I am a class 4 student. I love to draw Lord Krishna's drawings, and I am learning Bharatanatyam as well. As I like to know more about our culture and Bhagavad Gita, I like to do recitation at home also. So I do recitation at home also. So after some time, I found this course, and then it changed my whole life. I found many mistakes in my recitation, and I corrected it with Gita Parivar's proper pronunciation. And thank you so much, Gita Parivar, and especially Bhumika Shah ma'am, who has taught me so good pronunciation. And I am looking forward to do more Gita courses by the mercy of Lord Krishna. Today, I am going to tell a story about Lord Jagannath. It all started in Ramayana when Hanuman and Bali had a fight. Lord Ram killed Bali and his wife came running. She sorrowed and said, Lord Ram, why did you kill my husband? I curse you that in your next avatar you will be killed by Bali. And saying that, she took her husband's body and went to the burial ground. In the next avatar of Lord Krishna, Bali was a hunter. One day, the hunter went for hunting in the forest. He saw a little eyeball in the feet of Lord Krishna and thought it was a bird. He shot an arrow and killed Lord Krishna. Then Lord Krishna's soul wandered around the forest. It found a sacred place and started residing there. After many years, some Brahmins came. They found Lord Krishna's heart. They took the heart and went to where Lord Krishna was residing. They made a statue and placed the heart inside. So this is the statue of Lord Jagannath. One special fact about this temple is that the statues change. That the statues. Oh, sorry. 1 minute.
Continue,
Statues
continue.
are made up of wood. No such temple has its statues made up of wood. The second special fact is that the temple's statues changes in every 12 years. So Lord Krishna's heart is placed in the new statue. This is how Lord Jagannath was born and is blessing all his devotees. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Very beautiful, Manasvi. Very beautifully.
Super, Manasvi. You are so good storyteller also.
Yeah.
Very nice, Manasvi. Same like your recitation, you are a good storyteller also. Very well said, Manasvi. Keep it
Yes,
up, beta.
Mahesh, Rashmi Didi, Mahesh Goenka Bhaiya is there with us. Can you
Mahesh
just
ji and
please-
Shantanu ji is also there. Please
Okay,
unmute.
yeah, unmute
Yes,
please
Shantanu
one by
bhaiya is
one.
also.
Okay, Mahesh.
Yes. Chalo, jo na bas.
Yeah, I have unmuted Mahesh Bhaiya.
Jai Shri
Yes.
Krishna, Mahesh Bhaiya.
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri
Ji.
Krishna bhaiya.
Bhumika ji, very, very warm welcome to you. And to all the participants.
I should say, Mahesh bhaiya.
We are
very
welcoming you, Mahesh Bhaiya.
well. Mahesh bhaiya.
No,
Okay.
I have to welcome everyone because
Yes,
yes,
you
yes.
are here.
I know. Yes, yes, Mahesh bhaiya.
So,
So actually, those who are unaware will, Shraddha Didi, you can say Mahesh bhaiya is your batch GC also. So you can.
Yeah, Mahesh
Yes.
Bhaiya is my GC from April batch, and still he is like having my colleagueness from April till July, and he is really a very good coordinator. Even those who don't know, Mahesh Bhaiya is a like I think seniors in Gita Pracharak. He belongs to Gita Press Gorakhpur, some family, and we are blessed. Like he is there with us. He always motivate, encourage us in each and everything. And you must be getting some of the Gita Sevi Bano and all kind of messages. He is
Yeah.
like he is doing it from morning till night everywhere. Gita Prachar for each and everyone, for each small things. He'll make a very good message and he'll circulate each and everyone, which we will copy and follow forward it to other people. We always wait for Mahesh Bhaiya's Pracharak wala message and then we will wait. Okay, now we can forward because it came from Mahesh Bhaiya, means it is authentic and we can forward it to each and everyone. Mahesh Bhaiya, please encourage our participants so that
Yes.
they will also come and join our Gita family.
Correct.
they are already part of our family.
Correct.
There is nothing yet to join. They have already joined. So we should never say they will join. They have already joined. They have to continue now to the next level 2, level 3, and level 4. And with good trainers and techs and all the people who they have experience. So I'm sure everyone will love to go ahead with further studies of Gita. Next level will be 4 chapters, level 3 will be 6, and level 4 will be 6. And by the time you complete, you'll realize, अरे इतनी जल्दी निकल गया, पता ही नहीं चला हमको कब हम में change आ गया, कब क्या हो गया. And that is like that. Gita is like that. गंगा में नहाओ, शरीर के मैल धुलते हैं. गीता का श्रवण करो तो मन के मैल धुलते हैं. You become pavitra atma. So this is and one more thing. Ganga ji makes only the person who takes bath pavitra, but Gita ji can make you as holier than almost like Krishna himself. So paras किस तरह ये पारस बना देता है, नॉट लोहे को पारस नहीं बनाता, लोहे को पारस बना देता है, लोहे को सोना नहीं बनाता है. I think you are all getting the essence because I may be talking in English or Hindi mixed language. I was in Bombay, so आदत पड़ गई है वैसे बोलने की. Anyways, and jokes apart, so, and one more thing you should all appreciate is that you all are handpicked by God Himself to and put on this path. जैसे बिल्ली अपने बच्चे को कंधे से उठा कर लेके जाती है, अब बंदर को पकड़ के चलना पड़ता है, बंदर के बच्चे को अपनी मम्मी का पेट से चिपक के पकड़ के चलना पड़ता है. पर जब ईश्वर अपने को उठा के चल रहे हैं तो हमें कोई डर ही नहीं है छूटने का. सर्वसमर्थ है, is almighty and everywhere and fully capable, so He will guide us. The only thing we need to do, and what Gita teaches, is just surrender, sarnagati. Once we surrender, He will take care of everything. So, all the best to everyone, and please enjoy the Manogat and the experiences. And we would like to listen to what changes it has brought, this 1 month has brought to you. Instead of just praising the teachers and trainers, we know everyone is Power D excellence. PAL, Power DED excellence. So all the teachers are handpicked by Gita Parivar, and all the texters are also handpicked. So nothing to worry about that. And just be devoted and listen to Vivechans every weekend. So you understand the essence of Gita, which is Ucharan jo sikhate hain. But I'll just mention a simple example. The key which is opens the lock has got certain grooves in it. Upar niche. Similarly, Rasva, Dirgha and all the Ucharans, those create those vibrations which connect us directly with the Lord Himself. Just like you dial a number, 10 digits, and you get connected to anyone in the world. Similarly, to get connected to the God, we have to dial or sing in the proper tune and proper rhythm and proper sound. So that is most important, and that is what Gita Parivar is teaching us. So thank you, and please continue your journey. Please continue your session. Thank you, Shraddhaji. Thank you, Rasmi.
Thank you, Mahesh Bhaiya. Thank you so much. And
Thank
well
you.
said. Whatever, each and every word is so true. Really, whatever we are doing, we are just going one step nearer to the Krishna. So you all are also coming with us. We want you to continue till level 4. Don't, like, if you don't feel to give exam, okay, I'm not confident about it, but don't give the exam. Just continue your levels. Level 2, level 3, level 4. Don't stop before level 4 completion. So just carry on, and I am sure if you daily once if you recite the chapter, no, that easily it will be like memorized so well. Then everywhere, anytime you will be just reciting the shlokas only. It's like that. Okay, thank you so much, Mahesh Bhaiya. Rashmi ji, you can unmute the next person.
Yeah.
Akshita wants to say something.
Okay. I'm unmuting.
Yes.
Akshita ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Say.
Yes. Namaste everyone, this is Akshita here. I would like to thank every member of the Gita Parivar for being so supportive, motivating and understanding. And a big thank you especially to Bhumika for making every session enjoyable. Today, I would like to recite a small shloka for Ganesha and the first stanza of the Ganesh Pancharatnam. Parvati Nandana Bala Ganesha Vigna Vinasha Varada Ganesha Suramuni Vandita Sumukha Ganesha Sundara Vadana Dhyana Ganesha मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलाशिलोकरक्षकं अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिधेपदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम्.
Very nice, Akshita.
Very nice.
Very well
Like
said.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so very well said, Ruchita. Who's next? Roshanji.
Roshan ji.
Yes.
Roshan
Yes,
ji.
Roshan.
Jai Shri Krishna. I just like to say a few words. Thank you, all of the Gita Parivar. You are amazing. You have all given my quest to learn our sacred scripture, the Gita, a new dimension, which is a yearning for correct recitation. My inspiration initially from my childhood have been my nani and my mother, who were both Sindhis. They could not read Hindi as they grew up in what is today's Pakistan, but they had that yearning and with practice were able to recite the Gita beautifully. I was also introduced to the Gita Parivar by a, a, by my Gita class run by Smita Batra. Several members from our group, we have classes thrice a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, have joined the Gita Parivar, and they told me about your organization. So I'd like you to thank them as well. So far, I had only been concentrating on interpretation, but I feel now by recitation, this has added a special dimension which fills me with unspoken peace of mind and tranquility. So, can't thank you all enough, all of you, especially Bhumika ji. Of course, I bow down to you very humbly and say, Jai Shri Krishna, God bless all of you. And I hope I've registered for the next level and will keep on practicing and trying. Thank you again very much.
Thank you, Roshanji. Thank you so much.
Not at
Just
all.
you have I'm so happy that you are registered for L2 now. Okay, and continue your journey. Okay, your mom will be happy now.
Yes,
At
she
least.
will be smiling from heaven. Every time I recite, I
Okay,
think,
sorry.
till she got Alzheimer's, but till she could speak, she was reciting Bara Adhyay. Thank you again so much.
Roshanji. Yes,
Thank you, Roshan ji.
Meera.
Meera ji, have unmuted.
I take this opportunity to thank the entire Gita Parivar, and as Roshan says, and it's really learning from you, especially Aditi, who's been so patient. So many times we've asked her the same things. I used to look forward to my class from 5 to 5:40. And I had no background of Gita, neither my mother nor my grandmothers, nobody. I really did not know G of Gita. And because of you all, I've learned so much. It's not that I've been reciting the entire day, but at night also, the entire night, the recitation is going on in my mind. And I feel I'm connected like 24 hours a day. A big, big thank you to all of you. I mean, really, I don't have words to express my gratitude.
No,
Thank you so much.
actually, we are thankful that you
And,
are enjoying class.
नहीं, I really used to wait कि कब 5 बजेंगे and my class will start. It was so beautiful. I'll really miss you, Bhumika Di. If you can join our level too, please do. And today too, you are looking very, very pretty. Very pretty.
Thank you so much.
My gratitude to all of you. And I've learned so much from these children also. Akshita,
Yes.
Manasvi. And
Correct.
मैंने तो कभी I thought कि up to 56 years में कोई भी नहीं सीखता. Now I'll learn in my next life. I said बच्चे are doing so well. I also should put in some effort.
Correct. Yes,
So good.
Meera.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Just level 2 हो गया ना level registration, Meera ji? Done? Level 2? Yes, na? Okay, fine. Good.
Yes, Didi. Now I'll unmute. Deepa ji, I'm unmuting, okay?
Yes.
Deepa ji.
Yes, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
I thank you all so much from all my heart. And I was actually looking for a class, and then at the right time, this came to me. And I'm actually very bad in Hindi. I managed to, I was like, will I be ever be able to learn this? But the more I learn, I wanted to perfect myself. How many ever time I record myself, I keep telling, no, this is not good enough. I need to do it much better. And the joy it gives me by reciting, by recitation is, I can't describe it. And I mean, now, before, when I used to read the Gita, I mean, it is not stay in my brains. But now when I know the meaning of the words, and now when I'm reading the Gita, it is making more sense to me. All those paragraphs are making much more sense to me right now. So with all my heart, gratitude to each and everyone who's been a part of this group. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Deepa. In fact, I have noticed improvement in your videos also. Compared to 12th one, your 15th one is better. Okay, so I'm seeing the improvement. Okay, in your pronunciation. Okay, seriously, I was about to
Thank
tell
you
you
so
in
much.
group, but yeah, I've seen that improvement.
Yeah, I'm really going to work really hard because it's giving me a lot of joy doing this.
Correct, correct, correct. Thank you so much, Deepa ji.
Thank you.
Didi,
Meetu ji wants to say something.
Neetu ji.
A big thank you. Yeah, a big thank you to Geeta Parivar. Sometimes what happens is thank you is a very small word. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, Meetu ji.
Yeah. Okay. Even I could not recite the shlokas. I felt it's too hard. But now when I recite, as a mother, I feel very good that once I do it, I'm going to teach my kids. I've already enrolled them also.
Correct.
And Bhumika ji, the way you teach, I had a fear. I could not recite. A pronunciation problem there is. But you teach very nice. You have hold for each and every student in this class. You hold lots of patience and teach everyone so beautifully. A big thank you for that. And thank you for the whole Gita Parivar. You're the best organization, I think, because I tried other groups also. But the way Gita has been taught in these classes is the best, I feel. And thank you for that.
Yes, Meetu ji.
Thank you, Meetu ji. Rashmi Didi, can we play the video now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, please. We have a little surprise for all of you. So Rashmi Didi will be playing.
कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्।
Yes.
Thank you, Rashmi Didi.
Yeah. Okay. We'll be sharing in a group also this video. Okay. Ridisha ji wants to say something. Maithili ji.
I'll unmute Ridisha.
Swati ji. Yes. But
Ridisha ji.
Wait a minute. Come.
Ridisha ji is done. Okay. Kamala ji, I'll unmute, ma'am.
Yes, sure. Kamala ji is there. Swati ji is also there.
Yeah,
Maithili ji. Yes.
Hi. Jai Shri Krishna to everybody.
Jai Shri Krishna, Kamala ji.
Oh, my loving girl. Bhumika ji. Chubby chicks is shining today. Yeah. Actually, I was sick. In fact, I was on the bed. And but I made it up my point of listening to every point of yours, whatever you have explained. After your explanation, I used to rehear it and see that whether I don't make a mistake, pronunciation, punctuations, your dirga, your everything that I have been putting into my brain, because as I told you earlier also, we were having our group of chanting in the group, every Ekadashi. We have a ladies wing that we used to chant, but we never knew that I was making so many mistakes. And your point of explanation, your point of pronunciation, it was really doing wonders. Now I really feel, हाँ रे मैंने कितना गलती करता था. अभी आपसे मैंने सीखा, छोटे बच्चों से सीखना बहुत अच्छी बात होती. Learning from the youngsters is making a plus point for the elders, because we have been making mistakes. We are not accepting people. And we are very adamant also sometimes, but you guided us so beautifully. We never felt that of the age difference we were dominating, but we learned from the youngsters much better than what we used to be. Really, thanks a lot to both. I mean, three of you all are there, I suppose, Rashmi and Bhumika, and one more Shraddha, I suppose. Yes,
Yes.
big thanks to Parivar and big thanks to you young girls. Really made us really proud that tomorrow, I think very confidently, once I have registered for level 2 on 9th, I hope it will be added automatically. And
Yes.
a bright future to you, Bhumika. If you're leaving, please don't leave. Then we require teachers like this who has really, see, I'm also professionally a teacher, retired now. And really sincere teachers are always welcome everywhere and anywhere.
Correct.
And people love you all. I think everybody loves you. Don't go
Thank
away.
you.
We will adjust with your timings, no? No,
Definitely
really,
will
Bhumika, I'm
speak.
sincerely telling you from my heart that you don't leave us. And the best thing what you can do is we will see your timing and we will do it accordingly. I
Yes.
think you should inform us about it.
Surely,
It's
surely.
a
If I'm
sincere
joining.
request from all of us. It's not one or
Correct.
two. The whole team
I
will
know
miss you
about
also,
that.
and we really want to pronounce the way you are teaching. I don't think so. So much of patience. I also may not have being a teacher by professionally. Because we used to have a hold of 100 to 90 students per class, as a supervisor's post and balance. It's very difficult, but really you did the best. Really, Krishna must be also smiling, sitting on the corner. See, the young girls are trying their best to reach me. And he's very proudly waiting for all the gopikas to be nearer to him. Chalo, thank you, Bhumi. Don't
Thank
go.
you so much.
Thank you.
Don't.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Radhika ji, I'm unmuting.
First she will laugh and then she will speak. Oh, Jai Shri Krishna to everyone, especially to the
Jai Shri
three murtis in my life, Bhumika, Shraddha and Rashmi ji. Thank you all. And I just want to say life is all about going back to your roots.
Correct.
I come from a very, very staunch Jai Krishna family. I will share a photograph of my temple at my parental house. You'll understand from there what kind of a Jai Krishna family I belong to. I got married into a family where people are the best. They are the very nice people, but they don't believe in the Gita or anything, they just are good human beings. And somewhere I got into that flow, started doing my plantation. And today, after becoming, and I learned a lot from my dadi, I must say, shain kaise karna, bhog kaise lagana, aarti kaise karni, unko everything. And I think when I told my husband 35 years back that this is what I am. I think he got so scared that for 1 year he stalled the wedding. He could not imagine how will a girl like this adjust in family, like, you know. Anyway, Jo destiny, I got married to this very nice person. I have become a dad, 2 boys. The urge is there that I have to go back to my roots. I have to teach my grandchildren what my grandmother taught me. So from one grandmother now to this grandmother, I want to take this sanskar ahead. And for that, believe me, the work that I'm doing, I know everybody is doing work. It's not that everybody just sitting at home, sucking thumb and watching serials. No, everybody is doing a lot of work. Right now, today when I'm talking to you, I'm not in Delhi. I'm on a 10-day tour to Punjab. Every day is a new day, a new plantation. But still, I will take out time. I have to take out time, maybe not for myself, but for my 2 grandsons who are growing. And I will carry this tradition of teaching them what our forefathers have taught us. And thank you so much. You people are the medium. I don't know how I got into this Gita Parivar. I have a very humble yoga teacher, and he asked me online. I do an online yoga every morning, and he asked me, Madam, aap karoge? And my husband said, yes, main karunga, aap registration ka mujhe bhej do. So when the registration came, my husband said, nahi, main nahi karunga. And I thought, now that this has come, let me do it. Because my mother, who's 86 years old, has been reading Gita every single day. She doesn't eat anything till the time she's had a bath, read her Gita, and then she starts her day. So I also wanted to get into this life of my mother and realize कि मेरी माँ क्या खोजती है, उसको क्या मिला है in these 86 years. So I am going to get even more closer to my mother by doing all this. Thank you so much. And this I've spoken from my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Radhika ji. Can't you switch on your video for a minute, Radhika ji? Is it possible?
I thought it was on all this while.
Yeah, we were missing you.
We missed seeing you.
Yeah.
I was wondering that, okay, you might be outside or something.
No, I am outside. I'm somewhere else. But every day, as I said, is a new day, a new plantation day. And but yes, Gita is a part of me. Wherever I go, Gita was me now.
Yeah. We are doing Gita, and what you are doing, it's really appreciable.
Yeah.
3 cheers for you, Radhika.
So
like, but yeah, when you send the photos, I was like so amazed how at this age you are doing so well.
Correct.
So well. If anything we can do and we can help, please let us know.
Yeah.
We also want to do some of
if somebody asks me what is your last wish when you are dying, I would like to say I want to plant a tree before I die.
Yeah, it's really
I want to plant till my last breath, you know. So this is, and I think Krishna ने बोला भी था कि जो मेरे बहुत प्रिय हो सकता है वो जंगल लगाए, फलों के जंगल लगाए. And till yesterday I have planted 4,56,000 plants in 16 states of India.
Oh,
yeah.
Great.
Very well done.
Looking for Tamil people. Okay, fine.
I'll teach you Tamil.
Seri, I know. That's all. Sapad, I know. That's all.
Kunjam theriyum.
Kunjam, yes. No, I've been through Coimbatore, so little bit.
Nice. That's nice, Bhumika ji. That's nice.
Yeah.
It's easy to learn. It's easy. It's very easy.
No, Tamil is so difficult.
Not easy.
Oh God.
Yeah.
It's not at all easy.
It's not easy.
No.
Malayalam and Tamil.
No, we are learning Sanskrit, man.
Your language itself is based on Sanskrit. Okay, so for you, in fact, it is easy for you to learn Sanskrit, but for us to learn Tamil is like a big task, okay, mountaineer task. It is.
Then you can do a noble service like this way. Learning Tamil is not a big issue.
No, actually I wanted to learn, but then anyways I left the city, so there was no need. But well, there okay, I wanted to learn Tamil.
Okay,
So
okay.
whoever Tamil Tariyadu, Maithili Didi will come and teach us.
Yes, yes.
Actually, I am now residing in Hyderabad.
Okay, is it?
Then
Okay, so Telugu also.
teach Telugu also.
Yeah, Telugu also. Yeah, I speak Telugu.
Great, Maithili ji. Okay, I'll message you later on.
And Bhumika Di, you're looking so beautiful. Lovely. Shraddha Di, you also.
Thank you.
As we have been seeing her daily, that is the thing that we are
Difference,
mentioning.
yeah, difference will be there. Yes, yes.
Yeah, she is like
Bhumika Di
today very
lovely.
happy, no? The glow is there on her face. Like you
Yes.
all are completed L1 finally.
Completed,
The
yeah,
fine
it's a
colors.
not the completion of L1. Actually, BC thing, okay, BC thing is over now. So I'm so happy.
Hey, Bhumika Di, this glow is not because that you are leaving all your students.
Correct.
No.
Not because
It's,
that's
it's
what I said.
happiness you completed, not leaving. We
BC
will not leave our
thing is over
participants.
now.
That's right, that's right.
Yes,
Yeah.
not, see, I'm not happy, okay, leaving you all.
Oh, we are equally not happy.
Seriously. Swati ji or Saranya ji wants to say something. Swati ji has joined back.
Yes,
Saranya ji.
Saranya hand raises there.
Yes.
Hi, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
I just wanted to say thank you because it was such a joyful experience for me. And especially Bhumika ji, you were so encouraging to all the students, no matter what we said back to you, whatever we recited, you were always like very nice or super. You always encouraged us, and I loved that part of it, and I really enjoyed the class. I loved learning with you, and I'm so happy that I got to do this.
Thank you, Saranya ji. Okay, you also recite very well. Okay, but don't leave. Okay, don't leave halfway. I want all of you to finish till level 4. Okay, all 18 adhyayas you should be learning. Okay, so don't leave in between. Okay, fine. Hi, Manasvi. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
She's
Manasvi
having
is-
heart, full
Yes.
thumbs up. We are
Yes,
gonna
but,
miss you, Manasvi. You just tell us which
seriously.
group you are. We will visit you just to see you
Yeah.
recitate. We will
Seriously.
come to visit
Time
your
she has
classes.
taken. And anyway, Shraddha Didi will be the BC for
Yeah, I'll be the
L2.
BC. I'll come and
So
see
she
where
can visit
Manasvi is
officially
reciting.
also.
Okay, Manasvi, tell me your group number once you allotted the L2.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Should
Yes,
I
yes.
tell?
Yes, you
Yes.
tell.
Yes.
So, 9, 9:30.
Not mobile number.
93.
No, beta. No,
Not mobile number. Mobile number I have yours. Don't worry.
We don't. We want your timings. Okay, which time you have chosen for L2?
When you will get the L2 group, na, WhatsApp group.
5 to
5:30.
5:30 won't be there. 5:30 it will
5:30
be.
will
Yes.
be there. Yes,
Yes,
5:30 will
yes.
be there.
5:30. Okay, beta.
Okay.
Okay. Rashmi ji, can you unmute Rudra ji and Swati ji is also there?
Yeah,
Then
Swati.
will be unmute.
Yeah, Swati ji, I'm unmuting now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Can't believe that this is, it's always difficult to say bye. And, but yes, this is not a goodbye. We are going to be together in our next journey in L2 as, we've already, we are motivated. I think we all are motivated enough that we will be in L2. When I joined the yoga class, the Gita class, I never thought that I'll be able to, learn it. But yes, with Gita Parivar and Bhumika ji and Shraddha ji and everybody around who has been so supportive, and small little things, just a chote bacche ko haath pakad ke, you take the kid across. This is how our journey has been, and we have become confident that yes, we will be able to take this journey forward, and we really thank God that He chose us, because so far it's not everybody gets a chance, and we got a chance. In fact, I was thinking that I'll sing. I had told Bhumika ji I will sing something, but I don't think I'll be singing everything, but I'll just sing 2 lines for Krishna, And I had prepared all karaoke and all, but after listening to everyone, I have got very emotional. So I'll just recite 2 lines because I'm not a singer, but yeah, I like to sing. अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you,
You're
Swati.
beautiful,
So nicely
Swati,
done.
and you
Yes.
sing so well. And you said you
Yes.
are not a
I just
singer.
tried.
You are so
Thank you.
sweet.
And Shraddha
And
ji,
this is my
Bhumika ji,
favorite.
aap sabko in our next journey in L2, we really want to see you. I know this is what Gita says, that don't get attached, but our human nature is such that you do get attached with people, you do get attached with environment. So
Correct.
So hope
But
you all
you'll be
blessing
getting
us.
better trainers
Yeah.
in H2. Okay, so here
As
like
we
whatever
have a
God-
tagline of Gita Parivar, Gita padho, padhao, fir
I'm
jeevan
sure-
mein lao. So you came on the first track, padho.
Yes.
Once
Yes,
you get
yes.
in
He
the
is going to
on the
take us
track,
through. He is going to take us through.
Yes.
Yes. Thank
Because
you so
what you
much.
said
Thank
is
you.
so true. Many people get registration, many people get added in the group, but still
Yeah.
when the classes starts, it come and reduce to the 20, 30, 40 in the L1 batches. So
Yes,
it's
yes.
really Krishna's blessing only that we came, we stayed,
Absolutely.
and now we are moving
Absolutely.
forward. So
Yes.
it's really true.
Absolutely.
Many get,
Absolutely.
everyone won't go along. So you
Yeah.
came till now, we will be happy if you will continue till L4.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
beautiful, Swati. And this is my
Thank you,
favorite, one
thank
of
you,
my
thank you.
favorite song which you just sang. Thank you so
Thanks.
much.
Thank you.
Yes, Rashmi ji.
Yeah, I'll unmute Sarva Siddhartha ji.
Ji.
Pragati ji has come. Pragati ji has
Pragati ji is
joined.
there?
Yes, Pragati ji has come.
Oh yeah, it's with the double, triple A. Rashmi Didi, can you just unmute Pragati Didi first?
Yeah.
Jai Shri Krishna, Pragati Didi.
Jai
A
Shri
warm
Krishna.
welcome.
I'm
Jai
very
Shri
sorry I came late. Okay.
No, it's okay, Pragati Didi. You came. It's a big pleasure to us.
I'm so sorry for that. I came late, but I had to attend few more Anand Utsavs.
I
yes.
know. As a busy.
Yeah, those who
Yeah,
don't know,
today is
Pragati
Sunday
Didi is
and
our
most of
batch
them.
coordinator.
Yeah,
Yes.
Today is Sunday and most of them have kept their Anand Utsav today.
Yes.
Yes. I heard for some time. It was very nice hearing the song. Yeah. Yes, congratulations to one and all for completing the L1 and entering L2. So in L1 you have learned 2 chapters, the 12th chapter and the 15th chapter. In 12th chapter was about Bhakti Yoga. Here Bhagwanta is telling us about the uh, qualities of devotees and his favorite, what qualities a favorite devotee should have. So that is told very nicely, so we can also search for those qualities in us and try to evolve as a good devotee, and Krishna will always help us in that. Or that always I have felt like that, and and we are always, as we have got us to learn Bhagavad Gita, so we are the chosen ones, and we have that something devotee should have. So he has chosen us for that, and we are fortunate for that also. So we should keep learning this Bhagavad Gita now. L1 we have finished, L2 we have 4 chapters to go. So that will be a great journey to all of you. Great wishes for that. About Bhagavad Gita, I always feel the Bhagavad Gita is a manual, life manual given to us by Bhagavanta. Before we were born, he has given us this manual. As we bring any gadgets from market, we get a manual, small manual, how to operate the gadget, or small repairs also we can do reading those manuals. So in the same way, Bhagavanta has given this life manual to us, and we can repair ourselves, our life. So I always feel that. So I don't want to speak much today, uh, but I would give my wishes to everyone here present that please complete all 18 chapters in this with Gita Parivar, and great wishes for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pragati Didi.
Thank
Thanks for
you so much,
encouragement.
Pragati ji.
Yeah, I would like to hear from sadhakas what they
Yes,
are
Didi.
feeling more.
Yes.
That
Rashmi
will be
Didi,
a
we
great
have...
opportunity for you. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Rashmi Didi, can you unmute? Shantanu Bhaiya is also there, please.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Jai Shri Krishna Bhaiya.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to see two big person. I'm very lucky. What I want to say, Bhumika Didi and Pragati Didi in the same session.
Yeah.
So I am all participants are very lucky, no doubt. But I am also feeling very lucky. So you continue your journey. This Didi teaches very nicely. Bhumika Didi is not only DP Tech and trainer also. She is a good trainer. I came 1 or 2 days to attend her class, but
Even I had come. Even I had come for the class, and it was great. You know.
Is it?
Yeah.
Shantanu Bhaiya, I know. Pragati ji, when did she come? I don't know. But Shantanu
Yeah.
Bhaiya,
I have always visited.
Because
I
Rashmi
have
ji had
visited all the
unmuted
groups
her.
like this.
Oh, okay.
Just I waited for just not more than 10 minutes, but it was
Okay.
nice, you know, hearing you teaching the shlokas.
Thank you so
It-
much, Pragati ji.
Yes, very nice. Continue, Didi. Continue. What is my program left? Continue.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you so
Jai
much,
Shri Krishna.
Yes.
Thank
Jai
you
Shri
so
Krishna.
much. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Rudraji is there. Actually, Rudraji wanted to play something. Just unmute him. He wanted to say something, and Balakrishnan ji is also there.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sarva Siddhanta raised hand.
Hello.
Yeah, Rudraji, I've unmuted just now.
Rudraji, can you speak?
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
Rudraji.
Rudraji.
Yeah. So basically, I play drums, but then I told you already that the COVID in Bangkok is very bad, so can't go outside anywhere.
Okay.
Oh, okay, Rudraji. I thought, okay, you'll be playing or you'll be sending video. Fine,
no,
no.
no. It's
Yes,
okay.
Rudraji.
Yeah.
It's okay. Fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Because like the cases in India, this over here 18,000 days. According to the population, if you compare to India, it's worse than India over here. But then they still haven't imposed lockdown. So you can just call the government foolish over here.
Oh God. Okay. We thought, okay, it is controlled everywhere. Just in India, it is spreading, but now we're hearing some different story.
And no, Thailand was third for controlling COVID, like the top 3, but then now it's a third last. So
Okay. Yes, can understand. Okay, do take care, Sharudraji. And I think Sarva Siddhanta has raised hand. And who's left? Yes, Balakrishnan ji is left.
I'll unmute Balakrishnan ji first.
Yes.
Yes.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Balakrishnan ji.
I am 72 years young.
He has not started a video.
Maybe I am of all the participants. I have been struggling to study Gita for the last 52 years. The personal book I am carrying with me is by Swami Siddhavananda. It is 52-year-old. I too got a PhD for my thesis on an investigative study of Bhagavad Gita as a source for executive development. But I have been trying to study. I have been not able to make out a proper technique for pronouncing the shlokas. After getting into this Gita Parivar's classes, I have been able to learn how to pronounce the letters properly. Now I have developed an addiction to the Gita shlokas. Every time the Gita shlokas are ringing in my ears. My prayers for all the success of Gita Parivar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Balakrishnan ji. Very nice.
Bhumika ji, I'll play the video now. Ashu Bhaiya.
Yes.
Ashu Bhaiya's, okay, fine.
Okay. Please share screen.
Jai Shri Krishna to all Gita Premis. I am extremely happy to greet you all on this wonderful occasion of Anand Utsav. Our L1 is completing now, and now we are the authentic student of Bhagavad Gita. We have completed level 1. We will proceed to level 2. Nobody should be left behind. Be careful. We are so fortunate that Lord graced us with such blessings we cannot expect. Bhagavad Gita is the scripture which is unmatched to any other in the world, where Lord Himself guaranteed that you will reach to me if you will follow Bhagavad Gita. In chapter 18, verses 68 and 69, Lord Krishna guaranteed, Imam paramam guhyam madbhakteshva vidasyati bhaktim mai parankritva mame veshyatya sanshaya. Mame veshyatya asanshaya. Asanshaya. Undoubtedly. Guarantee. If anybody walks on the path of Gita, he will reach to me. And he didn't stop here. In 69, he said, who will spread this message? Who will teach Gita? He will be my most favorite one. We have such a wonderful opportunity with us. Shouldn't leave it for any matter. Whatever comes, whatever it takes, we shouldn't stop until we reach to the final destination of completing 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. In level 1, it was a playgroup type class. We were told alphabets, ka, kha, ga, gha. We were told anuswar, visarga, hrisva, dirgha. And now you have been asked to make a video. That read the chapter and make the video. You all are so happy. Wow, so easy. But don't forget, it is only playgroup thing. You are not going to get it further in level 2 or something. There you will be asked to learn it by your heart. It is not compulsory though, but we expect that everyone should try to do this. Because memorizing it and having Bhagavad Gita in our heart, it makes us complete. I wish you all the best for all your journey. I just wish that nobody should be left behind. with the grace of Gita Mata, we all will be fortunate to have a very happy, peaceful, and successful life. I pray to Lord Krishna for me and all of you. Together, we can walk on this wonderful path of Bhagavad Gita and experience the divine experience in our life. Thank you all. Jai Shri Krishna.
Bhumika ji, I'm unmuting Sarva Siddhanta now. Sarva,
Yes, yes.
Sarva
Please
Siddhanta.
unmute.
Yeah, I've unmuted.
Yes.
Hi everyone. Special thanks for Bhumika ji and Rashmi ji and Shraddha ji for teaching me Bhagavad Gita and opening a new mindset in my brain. I hope that I can finish this journey and do it well. I am registered for the next level and I am going to do it with my mom. Thank you everyone for teaching me.
Thank you, Sarva Siddhanta. Where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
Singapore. Okay, fine. Okay, Sarva Siddhanta. Can you please switch on your video? Is it possible? Hi. So good to see you, Sarva Siddhanta. So you'll be learning, right? You'll finish all 4 levels, correct?
Yes.
Yes, your
Yes.
mom has told me that, okay, he'll finish and he's interested also. So please keep it up, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Fine. Thank you so much, beta. And now anybody wants to speak or else he'll take the prayer. If anybody wants to say something, they can say. Or shall we take the concluding prayer? Is it fine?
Yeah, I think everyone we took, na? Rashmi Didi?
Yeah,
No one is
yeah,
remaining
yeah,
for the
yeah.
experience.
Yes, yes.
Those who are present have.
Okay,
Correct.
okay. Yeah, Didi, we can conclude
So,
the
Sarva
session.
Siddhanta, you can take the ending prayer, beta. You want the lyrics or you have it?
I have it.
Okay, beta. You can recite the ending prayer.
Yogesham Sachidanandam Vasudevam Vrajapriyam Dharmasam Stapakam Viram Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Jai Shri Krishna. Manasvi was supposed to recite. Okay, Akshita, we changed, beta.
We changed it, yeah.
Manasvi, yes, yes. Okay, thank you, Akshita. But she said the story, so we change it. Okay.
Now I'll
So,
unmute anybody.
yes.
Manasvi is saying something.
Manasvi wants to say something.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
No.
Okay, beta.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Okay,
Rashmi
thank
Didi, you want to
everyone.
say something? At least I
No,
have not
yeah,
heard
you-
much from you.
no, you
So,
conclude.
yeah.
You conclude.
yeah, and please, everybody, whatever seva you can give, please try. It's not only tech trainer and GC, other sevas are also there. So please try and give your time to Gita Parivar if possible. Okay, and kids do keep learning. Okay, Rashmi ji, we can conclude the session.
Okay.
Yes.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. And all the best for bright future.
Yeah.
Correct.
See
Yes.
you all
Jai
in
Shri
L2 now.
Especially all kids continue and complete.
Yes.
All of you complete the program.
Correct.
Till
Yes,
end.
yes.
Okay. All the best.
Okay.
Yes.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.